Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. It's been a really long time. But I just wanted to get on here and do something super simple. I did this look today. Just an everyday simple look. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So I did my eyebrows. I got my hair out of the way. The next thing I'm gonna do is foundation. Normally I would do my eyes first before I foundation. Or before I apply foundation, but I'm not going to do too much to the eyes today because I think I just want to go for like an easy, like simple everyday look. So the foundations that I'm going to use, I'm going to be mixing them because I'm kind of in between shades right now. It's the middle of winter and it's cold and my face says it all. So I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. And this is in the shade Desert Beige, and then the Maybelline Fit Me, which I used in the 2 previous videos that I've done, which have been, it's been a long time. It's been like 2 or 3 years. Whenever I wear this foundation, I always get compliments on my skin. And so I feel like whenever I have a lot of foundation on and the first thing that people recognize is my skin and not my makeup, that's a plus for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix these. Hopefully this works out because I did not try this out yet. We shall see. I'm just gonna mix this on the back of my hand. Hopefully you guys can see because I can't. I'm in between contacts right now. And so I don't have my glasses on, obviously. So I'm going to use my Real Techniques beauty sponge and mix this together. I definitely just put this on the wrong side. That's great. I think that's showing up. I think that's pretty good. So clearly I haven't been on YouTube in a while. It's a lot, and I work a full-time job. And so by the time I get home, I appreciate natural lighting, so trying to do it when I can get some light is impossible. So that's why. And sometimes I just don't want to. I really don't. But so yes, I'm in my living room, but I have this huge window in here, so it gives me a lot of natural light. So I'm trying to get my creative juices flowing. So let me know down below if there's anything that you guys want to see. Hopefully I can keep up with this. That actually looks pretty good. I can see in my mirror, but that actually looks pretty good. I actually did not expect that to work. Just bring it down my neck a little bit. My neck and my 2 chins. Oh, sorry. And like I said, I'm going for something like super simple, not difficult at all. This is supposed to be like an everyday. It may be a lot of steps, but you know, who cares? I don't know what to say, guys. This is weird. In my other 2 videos, I did a voiceover. Well, I did a voiceover for the first one. And then the second one, I think I just played some music or something. But so it's weird because I'm at home all alone and I'm pretty much talking to myself. So it's a little weird. It's weird recording myself talking to myself, because I'm sure I'm not the only one who talks to themselves. Next, I'm gonna go in with the, Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade Vanilla. I think this might be too light. I got this today, but we'll see. Ooh! Alright, so we're gonna be a little light-handed with this. Oh man, that is bright. Yikes. Alright, we're gonna work with it. Not too bad. All right, I spoke too soon. All right, so now I'm gonna take my, this is the Airspun loose face powder. I had it taped. I was traveling with it and I didn't want it to explode. So I put tape on it so it ripped. But take a little bit of that and just set my under eyes with this. This is just so it doesn't crease and I don't look like I'm aging. Not that there's anything wrong with aging, but you know, I don't want to speed up the process. And then I'm just gonna take my brush and dust that off. It feels weird. I feel like I haven't done a full face of makeup probably in like 3 weeks. So it feels weird doing some makeup. So I'm gonna do something super simple to the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with the bronzer that I'm gonna use. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in the shade Mahogany. It is a little dark, especially because I'm so pale right now, but I'm just gonna lightly. You know, before I do that, I'm gonna take some more of this powder. I've noticed with this bronzer that if I don't set my face where I'm putting the bronzer, it kind of makes my face look dirty, if that makes any sense. It doesn't sit well on the foundation, and so it kind of looks clumpy, like dirt on my face. And then dust that off. Then we're gonna go on with the bronzer. I'm just lightly gonna, so I'm not gonna try and contour. I just kind of want to just bronze up my skin. Make it look like, you know, I got some sun. Cause it's cold. It's really cold. It was like 1 degree yesterday. Like, come on. So, summer, if you're listening, we need you. Cause it's cold. Oh, that might be too much. I definitely said I was doing my eyes, but I just went straight for my cheeks. That's nice. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose, my jawline, kind of hide my chins. So I'm not really trying to do too much because, like I said, I want this to be like a simple everyday look. So I'm gonna go in with my eyes with the same bronzer, and this is the only shade I'm gonna use on my eyes because, like I said, I don't want to do something too much. This is supposed to be every day. And I'll have everything linked down below if I remember to do that. A lot of the brushes that I have, I ordered these off of Amazon, and I've had them for, I think this is 2 years now. I think you get a set of 13. So, and they work really good. So I'm just gonna put this pretty much just in the crease first and then just kind of drag it. Because the aim is just to add something to my eyelids. I don't want to do too much. Bring it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna put some, underneath here, just to add some dimension to my face. I don't know what to talk about. It's so weird. It's quiet. I'm just hoping my husband doesn't come home and I'm sitting in the living room doing my makeup. I'm gonna go back in with this just a little bit more. It's funny how I intended for this to be like super simple, but I kind of feel like this is turning into a somewhat smoky kind of, I don't know. Who cares? Like I said, I don't think I've done a full face of makeup with foundation probably in 3 weeks. it might even have been longer than that. I've just been doing mascara because I'm trying to give my skin a break. And I'm just lazy. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go in with blush. I don't always go in with blush because sometimes I just don't want to. But I'm gonna use, I got this from Ulta. This is the Essence Satin Blush in the shade Satin Love. Is that what that is? Yeah, that's what that looks like. It's a really pretty shade. And I'm pale enough for this to show up on my skin because I don't get to use this during the summertime because you can't tell that I have anything on my face. So, oh, that was too much. Just a little bit. Alright, you can actually see it. Look at that, it's showing up! Okay, what's next? Eyes. So if I wasn't wearing glasses, I would probably, not for every day, but if I was doing this look, if I was going out or going to dinner, I may pop on some lashes, but because I'm wearing glasses right now, the lashes would hit my frames, and I hate that. So I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous, and this is in the shade Black Noir. This is probably my favorite, only because I feel like it's super black. This is brand new, super black, and I feel like it gives my lashes volume. Like, I'll let you see. Oh, I'll stay hydrated. Alrighty. I do have to use a couple coats, but it's worth it. I feel like what mascara do you use that you don't have to put more than one coat? Let me know. But I feel like this does the job. Look at that, it's so pretty. I don't need lashes. Sorry if you hear cars. I'm sitting in front of a window and there's a busy street in front of me, so sorry. Look at that, and that's just with one coat. So I'm gonna go in with a second coat. All right, then I'm gonna put just a little bit. Alrighty. So instead of doing black eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with a brown, and this is another Wet n Wild. This is the Kohl Crayon. Is that what it is? I don't know. I got this a long time ago. I'm just gonna put that lightly. I'm putting this on my face just because I don't want the heat from my fingers to melt my makeup. Doesn't make too much of a difference, but enough to do something, you know? Alrighty. And this may be weird. I can't believe I'm about to say this, but so I have moles on my face, and I like how they look, and I like where they are. And when I put foundation on, it covers them up. So I use the same eyeliner, and I'm gonna pencil them in. Okay? Don't judge me. So I got one here. Let me lift this up a little bit. That one, because it would be that dark if I didn't have foundation on. Okay? So don't judge me. And I got this one. And I do have another one above my lip, but I'll just leave it at that, right? Isn't that cute? No? Alright, now highlighter. I'm going in with the Becca Cosmetics. This is in the shade Prosecco Pop. Really pretty. It kind of comes off as a gold, which I don't mind. It's pretty. So let's find my Dust that right at the tops of my cheeks. And I like to bring it down here because whenever I'm in light, it kind of reflects and it looks like, oh dang, she glowing. I don't want to do too much. I just want it just enough for you to be able to tell. And then I'm gonna put a little bit here, right to my nose, forehead. Oh, I forgot my mold on here. All right. And the last thing is lips. Now, depending on what you're doing for the day, you could keep it simple, put on a nude lipstick, a gloss. If you're going out, you could do, you know, pop color, red, dark lip. I plan on eating later, so I'm just going to do like something super simple. Okay, so I kind of got a few different products that I'm thinking about using. I'm gonna do like a nude lip gloss. So I've got some lip pencils here. I think I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline one. The Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner. And this is in the shade Purely Nude. I'm just gonna I can't see. Gosh. Your girl is blind. I'm gonna kind of fill it in just a little bit. Alright, that's actually really pretty. I actually don't think I've used this combination before, so we'll see how it turns out. And then I'm gonna go in with a MAC lipstick. This is in the shade Kinda Sexy. I'm just gonna kind of fill that in. Ooh, that's really pretty. I actually don't think I want to put a gloss on top of that. That is really pretty. Hopefully it's coming up on camera the way it is in person. This is really pretty. Well, this is the final look, y'all. Let me put my glasses back on. Well, I hope this was information. I don't really feel like I said a whole lot, but I'm gonna try and come back, y'all. I'm gonna try and do this. I'm really trying to do this. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, comment down below. Let me know what you want to see in the future, because I'm really gonna try and be better at this, because I think it's been some time since the first two videos that I put out. So let me know what you guys want to see. Comment down below. I will try to link all of the items that I use in the description box below. Give me thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.